Fit Buddy SK. Today I'm going to show you the workouts for crawlers. Okay, crawlers are the people who are just into fitness, who need to know what to do. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is the jumping jacks. Alright, so we're going to do 1 minute for every workout, for every exercise, 30-second break. Alright, ready? Let's go. And guys, you can go at your own pace, you don't have to rush it. Alright? Alright, now you're going to take a 30-second break, record like 10 seconds. Take a 30-second break, and then we're going to move on to the next workout. Alright, next workout we're going to do is planks. Alright, we're going to do 30 seconds. Sorry, we're gonna do 1 minute. When you're doing the plank, guys, a lot of you, you end up like doing this, you know, with your butt in the air or like sagging. You wanna make sure that like, you know, your back is straight and you're squeezing in your abs. You feel me? Sometimes your arms hurt because you're not squeezing your abs. Make sure you squeeze your abs when you do the planks. All right. We're almost there, we're almost there. All right, now you're gonna do your 30-second break, okay? These workouts are very simple, guys. It's only 4 workouts, 1 minute for each workout, 30-second break, all right? So the next workout we're gonna do is, we're gonna do mountain climbers. This is my favorite workout because it just forces you really get the lower abs engaged. Alright, so for mountain climbers, I think I might have to do this. Mountain climbers, the back is always straight. Alright, you just bring your knees up. Just like this. And guys, you can go slow. Like this, so you can go fast. All right, so you do 1 minute of mountain climbers, 30-second break, and the last workout we're gonna do is 6 inches. This one, super simple, okay? Lay down, your hands are flat on the ground, and your feet is about 6 inches away from the ground. Me, I like to, you can put your head down like this, but like, I want to put more tension in my abs, so I will usually raise my head up and just like squeeze my abs in, just like this. So all the tension, everything is in my abs, all right? Do this for 1 minute. All right, guys, that's it. 4 simple workouts. Do these workouts every single day, especially if you're doing a 7-day lean belly program, guys. I promise you, you're gonna lose belly fat. Okay, that's it. It's been fun working out with you guys. It's your Fit Buddy SK. I'm out.